I want to start with Professor Chambi Puranik, and the number on your screen, ladies and gentlemen. Speak to me, tell me what you think. Professor Chambi Puranik, what should happen now? Should the whole exam be redone? Can you briefly tell me what should happen now?
First of all, I congratulate you, Arnab, for taking up this major, bizarre and worst kind of scandal that has happened in the NET examination. I think the students have a right to get justice. That is not given. It will be big tragedy. And I think the mafia will continue to do this.
What mafia? What mafia, sir, are you talking about? What mafia?
Pardon?
What mafia?
The examination mafia, or the setters, the people gang, which always tries to, influence the powers that be in different centers. So my solution for this is, even it's for your discussion or consideration. That is, you conduct re-examination only in those centers where the suspicion has emerged, and the students have got such a kind of unprecedented and historically a blunder. That is 720, the 67 students. So in those centers, if you conduct, you can save the misery and anxiety and pain and anxiety of parents.
Sir, but how will you, just 1 minute, let me get the other side, 1 minute. You're saying reset, redo the examination. Is it practical that in those centers where there is a suspected leak or some problem has happened or there's a genuine problem, those people will be answering a different question paper from somebody sitting in Bhopal or Jabalpur? How fair is that? There'll be two different papers.
It can't be unfair all the time. We have to give, kind of an accommodative kind of margin to rectify the kind of...
So you're saying redo the exam, okay.
I don't think it will go against the spirit of...
Dr. Rohit Mathur, do you agree? Dr. Rohit Mathur, do you agree with that? Redo the whole paper?
No, not at all. Not at all. I mean, redoing whole paper will, there are many students who have taken this paper fair and square. I mean, you cannot do injustice with them. As far as this inflation is considered, that 67 people have got 720 out of 720. Dear sir, this year JEE mains, the engineering entrance exam had only 9,25,000 candidates, and out of those 9,25,000, 56 have achieved 300 out of 300. So, when I took this medical entrance exam 30 years back, the syllabus was all the same. They were all the same. Over 30 years, they have become predictable. The question banks, these all, kids, they have all these questions. Where would you get new questions? The syllabus is predictable. There were 24 lakh candidates. The paper, if you see, was easier than the last year. This was the batch who studied for full 2 years in classroom. Earlier batches were affected by COVID. In October midterm, the NTA slashed the syllabus by 25%. So I'm not denying that there may be, some fraudulent admissions, but then you cannot hit everybody for this, the fraud. You need to pick up.
So what's the solution, sir? Counselling is to start. The exam results have come out. Counselling has not started. Matter is in Supreme Court, and Supreme Court is on vacation. Am I right? No, Adish Agarwala is former president of Supreme Court Bar Association. So the court is on break. When will the court hear the matter next?
It is on 8th of July.
Sir, 8th of July is too far.
Sir, they have
how can we wait till the 8th of July? What can be done? Vacation bench? Something else?
Vacation judge could have decided, but once the matter was pending before the Court of Honorable Chief Justice of India, that's why they deferred it.
But surely the Chief Justice knows the situation.
Yes.
Does the Chief Justice not know the extreme situation the students are in?
He can prepone. He should take up this matter early.
So if the Honorable Chief Justice wants, he can take up the matter.
Yes.